Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is essay on my vision for India in 2047. Please do subscribe my channel. In 1947, India got independence from British rule. India is going to complete its 100 years of independence in the year in 2047 and sovereignty, which leads Indians to think big and make them strong. My vision for India after 100 years of independence 2047 to be as strong as those freedom fighters who fought for our nation and lost their lives in making India as an independent country. On this special occasion, the entire country is celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Our country in 2047 will be what we create. Today, I would share my vision for India in 2047. Every child of India will be educated and no child should be forced into a bonded labor. Everyone should get the necessary education and opportunities for good jobs to be people of different qualifications like graduations, illiterates, etc. I want to see India free from equal respect, gender, color, religion, starvation. There is no discrimination of caste and economic status. India should be free from poverty, unemployment, corruption and other social evils. Everyone should get health facilities. People are also aware of health and fitness. There should be no gap between the rich and the poor. Our country should continue to be secular where all religions are treated equally. Everyone should getting sufficient amount of resources they deserve and nobody sleeping without food, clothes and shelter. There is no dying of poverty and starvation. Women are safe and walk freely on road. They should be very more powerful and self-dependent. Farmers should be provided facilities about seeds, pesticides and fertilizers knowledge. I want my India to be green and clean and free from the different pollutions. I want to see India is an ideal nation for all other countries. My vision for India is to develop in all fields. My India should continue to be the land of love. Everywhere is happiness. People love each other. India free of hunger and tear. It is my vision of India in 2047. Thanks for watching.